Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is Week 10 update with Lori. So how's it going so far?
It's good. I've reached my goal weight, so I'm staying. It's sort of stayed at that. I didn't lose anything.
So you are at what's your weight right now?
146.
And that was your goal for Week 10. Right? Last time we decided to set up a goal for Week 10, right?
Yes.
Are you planning to change it for Week 20 or
well,
maybe
with your encouragement, then maybe I will.
Yeah.
I mean, I could, I guess 6 pounds, like 140 would be ideal in my mind. So I probably could do that.
But it's an optional at this point. For you,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How
it's
much?
exciting.
How much total weight did you lose so far?
20 pounds.
20 pounds. So there's no urgent need to lose another 5 or 6 pounds, right?
Yeah. So if I can kind of maintain this from the new habits that I've formed, I'd be really happy. And then if I can tweak them up, and I know that I could lose more.
So moving forward for the coming 10 weeks will be just more in maintenance mode, more than try to lose weight.
More so maintenance.
Yeah.
I'll try to make sure I want to keep it like this because, like I say, it's been so long since I've been down to this weight, and I just really want to enjoy being here. But now that I know what to do, I know I can lose more
So
weight.
I don't think you have concern about gaining back what you lost.
I not really. No. I just kind of keep thinking I can't believe this has happened like so easily in a way.
It was so easy.
I know. I feel it was just too easy that I can't believe. But now that from what I've learned, I know I could, even if I do gain, I know I can lose it, no problem. I know what to do now.
That's right. Yeah. So let's wait and see next week how your weight will be.
Yeah.
Right? And at any time, especially for you, like if you decide to change your week 10, 20, right? I think that's easy, right? So for the coming weeks, let's say if you can maintain your weight, right? You see the progress then.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.